What is going on, YouTube? I know, shocker, right? You're surprised to see me. It's been a long time. Anyway, I got another truck here that y'all haven't seen because I haven't made a video in a long ass time. It's a 05 Silverado, got the baby 4.8 in it. I've done a few things to the truck. I'll show y'all in a little bit, but first things first, we got a pack of slip like always on my channel. We're gonna be dipping on some Copenhagen straight like usual. I mean, if you watch my channel, you know this is all I dip right here pretty much. Dip a day, keep the doctors away. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little walk around in the truck right quick, show y'all. I've always wanted a Cateye, finally got one. So far I put these clear headlights on here and LEDs. Still sitting a little higher in the front. I put a flip kit on the back, but that's because I found it. They had this toolbox in the back and I found the flip kit in the toolbox just digging around, so I was like, well hell, I'm gonna put it on, it's free, you know? So we're probably gonna get 2-inch drop spindles in the front. But yeah, it's sitting pretty low in the back. That's why I need a C-notch. I'm already hitting frame pretty bad, watch. So yeah, C-notch is ideal. Here's one of them right here. Just the bolt on, you know. But truck didn't have a back glass either when I first bought it. So I did that. It's got some damage on the bed on this side. I had to put the spare on here because the tire, too many one-wheel pills. She's bald. I didn't want to drive on it anymore. Had a good time with it though, but I'm probably gonna swap that tire over on this rim. Whatever, I just got that on there for now. The bed's pretty dented up right here, scratched up, but who cares, you know. Got my little exhaust coming out the side. I just did something real quick. I'm gonna change it. Obviously, I still have a lot of stuff I want to do to this truck. I tinted the windows. I want to get some stock 20s, like some newer Chevy stocks. So far, I put a cold air intake in it so far. Here's the inside. Not too bad. It's pretty clean. Besides the headliner sagging, I'm gonna have to fix that. But painted this little piece right here. It came out pretty good. Like I said, it's got the baby 4.8 in it. Truck was misfiring real bad when I first got it. Had to change some injectors and cold packs, but got that eBay special cold air intake. Next, I'm gonna throw some long tube headers on it. I really want to cam it and stuff, but I'm not too sure yet. We're gonna see how it goes. I mean, probably gonna blow this one up like I do all my other trucks anyway. But if I do, I'll probably drop like a 6.2 in it or something. Just, I don't know, man. I want to go fast. Tired of Dodge, you know, always broke. Just want to go fast, you know. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and backed it in just to give me way more room and be under the shade better, you know. So most people take the bed off when they do this, but I'm probably just gonna jack it up because, you know, I'm by myself, so I can't really pull the bed off. But once I jack it up and get the tires off, it should give me plenty of room to do whatever I gotta do, you know. Got that flip kit and it's already on frame pretty much. So that C-notch is gonna help out a lot. That's where this one's gonna go. Got it pretty lined up. Remember, kids, safety first. Alright guys, so I pretty much got it good. Got it a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and tack it in and then drill my holes after. I got a shitty ass Harbor Freight machine here. When I say shitty, I mean this thing is shitty. It's been ran through. I had this thing for a while now. Had to cut my lead on it because it got real messed up, so my leads were real short. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can throw some tacks on here and see what we can do. Done over here. Put a few bolts in it and welded up the sides a little bit. Probably gonna put another bolt on this side just to kind of help, you know, hold everything in pretty good. But yeah, I'm probably about to call it a night though. It's probably all gonna be in this video. I haven't started on the other side, but it's been a headache trying to get everything flush and, you know, a lot of micro adjusting and stuff. But probably gonna end this video here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, you know, me making a video. I might start making a few more videos here shortly. You know, I want to do some more stuff to this truck, so I mean, we'll see though, however it works out. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Might be another year from now.